All right, well, it's been a couple of weeks since we've been out here. They got all the sheetrock done. It's all taped and mudded and textured everywhere. Took them 2 weeks to get it done. But we also had an ice storm in the middle of all that. So anyway, we're working on the trim today. Or excuse me, yeah, trim and putting the doors in. Hopefully we get to some trim. But nothing special, it's just interior doors. Gonna look pretty good, I think. Yay. All right, we'll keep going. Here we go, another one done. I think I did all right. Doesn't swing. It's perfectly level, it stays where you open it. Yep, all right, let's do another one.
Where'd you say the waters were?
They're over there on the floor, Allie.
What?
They're over there on the floor.
Okay.
Never mind.
You need,
I found it. Think.
it says to the left in here. Where's the left at?
Go on, you got your cut. You're wasting.
It's like right when I got it, right when I got my earbud in.
First of all, it's not.
It's exactly how you sound. Get my ear growing.
You sure you need that?
Yeah. Sure I need it. You stress me out. Express drink caffeine.
Oh, that's so sad.
I know. politics and call me a dirty old man.
Yeah, you are.
Oh. You have to cut it?
No,
Huh?
I did it right.
Amazing.
Yeah, I did it on purpose.
Uh-huh. I remember because all these ones had a little framed in piece under them. This one doesn't.
Because of the,
I know.
and it did, I think I did. I framed it down a little bit.
Not
I think it
that
was just a little bit though. Did I not?
No, I can still see the 2x12.
Oh. Worked out.
Ow!
I'm not pretending I planned that.
I know. That's what I was trying to say earlier. I was like, we didn't do anything to it.
Yeah.
Did it work?
That ain't going nowhere. Hey, what you doing, buddy?
Say hi.
See? You can see it recording, huh? What do you think? Yo, got you. What do you think? Is this gonna be your new house? Are you excited to move in? Did you see all the doors we put in? We put in 9 doors today. Yeah? 10? Was it 10 doors? 10 doors. We got the downstairs bathroom. Actually, it's all the doors, right? There's only 10 in the whole house here. Everything
We worked hard today, or you did.
closing good. Everything's squared up, lined up. We had Leo here looking at it, and he's the guy that's going to be painting it, and he's mad at how many nails I put in. He says, "You were a framer, weren't you?" Yep, I sure was. And then the, what was that, broom closet? Yeah. What?
Let's go check your door out.
You gonna see your door in your bedroom? This is Austin's room. Man, sheetrock looks good. We're excited to have all that done.
Your door? What do you think? You can close it.
That's the first time he's seen his door. Can you see out of there? What are you doing?
You reach your light switch?
Here.
Yep. Good job.
You ready to put your bed in here and all your toys and everything?
Yeah, don't touch it in the escalator and the crank. And
Did you go play in my excavator? Is that what you're saying?
No, he wants his put his dump truck and his excavator and his crane.
Oh, his excavator. Oh, okay.
And a fire truck.
And a fire truck. You gonna put all that in your bedroom? Think there's enough room in there? Okay. If you say so, buddy. This is gonna be the baby's bedroom when you have babies. When you have new little brothers and sisters, huh? Master. Everything closes good. Everything looks pretty lined up to me. Yeah, it's gonna work. This is your mom and dad's bedroom, isn't it?
And they got closet.
Huh?
They got closet.
What did he say?
So we got a closet.
Oh, where?
Where they
Oh, is that the closet? Okay, I think that's your dad's closet.
Here's mine.
And here's mommy's closet, yeah. Which one's bigger? Mommy's or daddy's?
Oh, yes.
Mommy's and daddy's.
Mommy's bedroom. Mommy's closet's bigger, isn't it? You can see that layout. It's hard to see it on the camera. We have shelves, clothes rack. Same thing over here. That's a door to the bathroom. There's the other door. So yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna go up here and trim all this out. Hopefully. What are you doing? Did you shut your dad in the closet?
Yeah, he's gonna stay in there.
He's gonna stay in there.
Yeah.
He says you're staying in there. All right. Yeah. Call it a day.